Alright, I'm done with this level. Now in this video I want to save this level and leave it as it is. And I want to create a second level. So pretty much to do that we need to create a second scene. So let's first save this scene and leave it. Okay, now we're gonna go here. Let's name this level 1. Okay. Now we need a second scene, so we'll go right here and click new scene. Let's make it a built-in scene. There we go. Now let's let's first save this. There it is. Now since they're gonna be pretty much almost the same, we're gonna copy level 1 scene, level 1's hierarchy into our level 2. I think we can do that by going back to our level 1, copying our objects, now going back to level 2 and pasting them. There we go. But we need to adjust our camera. Let's do something like this. Save main camera. Let's copy this. Remove level 2's camera and instead paste level 1's camera into level 2. There we go. Now our player behavior will be, behavior in level 2 will be the same as it is in level 1. But the difference is that our boss behavior will be slightly different from level 1. We can't use level 1's enemy behavior script. We can use the player behavior though. Also maybe probably the bullet behavior script as well, but not the enemy behavior script. So for that we need to create a new folder for our level 2. We'll create a new script, enemy behavior. I wonder if it can have the same name. Okay, it can. Oh, never mind. What? Hold on. Oh no, we can't. Or never mind then. Let's just do enemy behavior and 2. So enemy behavior 2. Now let's open our enemy behavior 2 script and get to coding. Let's just paste the enemy behavior script from level 1 into our level 2 enemy behavior script. Oh. Shit. We don't want to copy the namespace also. Now in level 1, our boss per shot, our boss can only shoot 1 bullet. Now in level 2, I want our boss to shoot a spray of bullets with each shot. So think 5 bullets, maybe 1 goes straight, 2 of them go slightly to left and right, and the other 2 lean towards left and right just a little more. So to that, I want to create a new method. We don't need to, but I will do it so our script can look organized and clean. So we'll write void fire spray. This is where we'll fire all 5 or 4 bullets and create a spray. We want to call this bullet center instead of enemy bullets because we're gonna have multiple enemy bullets. Bullet center. Then we'll have bullet slides left. Bullet slides right. And just bullet left. Now we need to change the rotation degrees between our bullets so that not all of our bullets go straight, just like our bullet center. So this will be 170 and then 160. Our right bullets will be 190 and 200. Now we're gonna call this method right here. There. Oops. Going to our enemy objects, we'll switch this enemy behavior script from level 1, and instead in its place we're gonna add its copy from level 2. Now I think that is all. Let's see if this is gonna work. I hope it does. Oh, that's good. That's very good. It's working on first try. That actually looks really nice. I like it. But let's try something else. Now in our level 1, our enemy bullets are pretty fast. But in level 2, I want our enemy bullets to be slightly slower, so that they can accumulate and slowly fill up the screen. I want to create a classic bullet hell feel with that. So to do that, we need to create a new bullet behavior script, unique for our level 2. Let's open this. There. Now the movement speed is gonna be slower. Let's try 5. Oh, but to do that, we need to also create a new prefab for bullets in level 2. I didn't think of that honestly. But it's fine, we can do that. Going to our prefabs. I'm thinking if I should create a folder or not. You know what, let's create folders to make things organized. So we have level 1's prefabs right here. And now we're gonna create a new folder, level 2. I think we can copy our bullet from level 1 and then paste it here. But we need to Now we're gonna change this behavior to there. Let's see. That looks better, I guess, but I want to try a slower speed. Just as an experiment. Let's see how this will look. Oh no, that won't work. How about 2? Let's see if this is gonna be too hard. How about we settle with 4? Yeah, that looks fine. But okay, that's enough for today's video.